Courtney Cox here in the PNC Bank Sports Corner, and it is time for your Bruins Hurricanes preview. It's a best-of-7 series, with the Bees coming in as the 4th seed in the East, while the Canes are coming off a 3-game sweep over the Rangers to make it to the series. A little rematch here of last year's Eastern Conference Final, which the Bees swept the Canes to advance. While the Bruins had 100 points from their 70 regular season games, they haven't had a W since the postseason kicked off, losing 3 straight. The series kicks off Tuesday at 8 p.m. PNC Bank, helping to make banking easier.